algorithm is used in different techniques, different purposes. For like in electric vehicles, this is also used in vehicle to grid station. It's used for energy management system like grid networks, to the home, grid to home, and grid to commercial supplies, grid to domestic supplies of energy, PV to grid and grid to PV, and everything. Okay, it, it uses the particle swarm optimization, which basically provides the solve the nonlinear multi-model and high-dimensional optimization problems, and it collectively and coordinated behavior of biological swarms PSO models, which it fly through the solution space guided by the both individual experience and social interaction basically. So basically this is the user-friendly advanced techniques for from the genetic algorithm. Introduction, I have added in it the complete overtime PSO models used in our different data sets. And yes, I have added the complete introduction, how particle swarm optimization works, and all the description are added in it. Okay, and the implementing particle swarm optimization like practical growth. Basically, the thing is that the working of the PSO model is main thing is that the PSO models evaluates the quality of each particle solution. Okay, this function plays a pivotal role in guiding the search purposes process basically. Okay, which maximize and minimize the fitness score according to the user's input. Okay, practical guide, all the equations used in it, design methodology which is used in our case. Yes, these are the MATLAB based equations used in our case, flexibility and future extensibility, as well as the results and simulation. Results and simulation used in our case based on different test cases. So yes, these are the complete test cases used to get the output results. Okay. Yes, its advantages used in our different advantages used in biomedical biomedical engineering. It uses the fundamental concept of PSO is based on social behavior and organisms. Also, it provides the effectively and estimated solution through the collaboration between particles. It also provides the continuous and discrete optimization tasks as well, and applications of particle swarm optimization added in it, and then the comparative analysis with other genetic algorithm, simulated uh, annealing, and respective advantages as well. So the conclusion and references, let me just show you the output in terms of MATLAB code, because I have just added, this is the MATLAB code, complete MATLAB code. These are the test functions which we need to test our algorithm, and these are the private functions used for the heart and other biomedical engineering. But let me just open the article. 16 particle swarm optimization, MATLAB files. You just need to hear PSO demo. Okay. Yes. You just need to run the PSO model here. First of all, run it. It will ask the test functions like in which you want to test case. We will select the test case. These are the test cases are added in it. For example, I am using the nonlinear constraints. It takes some time, but it will provide us the complete output results accordingly. MATLAB is a learning condition. C, it provides the complete output graphs as well. Okay. Let me just again run it and with the different test case functions to check the output results. Like for example, we are just here run this section. Yes, it provides like this type of output results. For example, we just close this. Let me just run again. This one. Different test case scenario, you can test it accordingly. See, these are the output results, like how it linearizes the system accordingly. Okay. So I think it is okay now. You can ask me any question. Thank you.